Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Commissioner Secretary ka Tnad Revenue and Disaster Management ka Sarkar Jylla Sanjay Goyal IAS ulaong balada bishar kat kum gajing Kenya ka por jong ka klam jing pang COVID-19 ka jingyo jong ka sarkar kaladon kumba arspa Klur Tyngka bar kaladon gajing penkeo ha ki sausan snem ki balalin no kumta lada khainlang bar kata gajingyo baro bala Ïohlum na ka Tnad Excise kala poi ka khat arspa Klur Tyngka bat andang haban Pynthikna halor kani habaya keren berkilat pathai khubor mentaka singi galai phuwe tari urisau arajar arpulai Goyal ulaong ba kani kalong ka sin jam ka bakong santam bat kum ka Tnad kala kentat ha ka bayde ber kajing penya pher ye kitiar kitar balawat benya ru halor ka jingdon jong ki Jylla ke bamarjan ye ki mar ki mata bat ki ei ki jing mentoi ki bakum ke Jylla kala banle haba persang ban keli halor ka jingdon ki dukan kiat hapo ke Jylla nakalyong Goyal ulaong ba 4 laban ai jing Kenya ka bayde bat kani henry menta ka thong galong ban benkeo ye ka jing yo nong jong ka Jylla.
On an average, during the COVID and before COVID time, the revenue was hovering around 200 CR. So, and we have got a substantial increase in last 4-5 years. So, if you take that into account, I think the average revenue collected from excise would be roughly around 1200 crores, but that's the figures I need to confirm. This is one of the major steps. As I mentioned, we have rejigged as Honorable Minister has mentioned, we have rejigged the classification of the brands. We have studied the kinds of classifications that our neighboring states are having and what kind of advantage we can draw in classifying them. So basically when you classify the brands at certain price levels and then the brands of those prices, we are at imposing the excise duty. And with this exercise, though the impact on the revenue is roughly around 15%, the impact on the MRP will not be that much. Impact on MRP is roughly around 9 to 10%. So this rejigging has helped us around 5% additional revenue to us without impacting on the MRP.
Maybe know the numbers of shop opens that we call now, not wine store. Because what is the number of wine stores in the state? The total number of wine stores and
I will not have that figures right away with me, but I can share it with you later if the numbers are required, because this was basically the purpose was to increase the revenue. The cabinet note was in that.